I started by setting everything on the table. Some soft colors, a few chords, and just a rough idea of what I wanted to make. It didn't look like much at first, just a ring, some strands, and a little time. I began tying the cords, watching it slowly take shape. Then came the pearls, one by one adding a little bit of shine. Okay, so I just finished attaching all the 5 pearl strands, and I really like how the chandelier is starting to take shape. After that, I kept adding pearls, just letting each strand fall into place. It was still simple, still open, but the shape felt right. The frame was done, not finished, but definitely becoming something. Later, I went outside to pick a few tomatoes. They were still warm from the sun. I threw them on the grill for dinner, keeping things simple, just letting the day flow. Crystal came by just to check on things, like always. In Alaska, she found the softest spot next to my cords and fell right asleep. That's when I knew it was time to call it a day, more like coming soon.